Here's my 2015 Ram tow rig. Got that Cummins 6.7. I'm gonna do a quick little video about an interesting little tool I found that made life easier when I had to do a little maintenance on it with the last oil change I did. Enjoy the video. This is the first time I'm trying out my new Cummins 6.7 diesel oil filter cap tool. So you got this tiny little hole to squeeze it out of. Last time I kind of wrapped it in like a cheap grocery store plastic bag. This time I had an Amazon gift card, so I just picked up this aluminum piece. I think it's $10 or $12, so not terribly expensive. This is the first time doing it. Looks like the filter kind of drops in and you can rest it just enough, tilt it, and get the thing on there. Kind of got it finger tight now. We'll just see what kind of mess it makes when I try to pull it out. Let's see if we can set the phone here and yank it out of there without making too big a mess. Oh yeah, that wasn't horrible. I don't even believe I spilled a drop. Well, hey, I think that was worth it. Even if I just do it this time. I think next time my brother borrows a truck, I'll make him change it and make him fish in there. I think the biggest complaint I have is using the oil filter wrench to loosen it. It took forever because you can only move it 1/80th of a turn, in my humble opinion, until you can finally get it loose enough to get with your hand. But hey, I give it the green light. Big Block Bob approved. All right, I'm back. So the filter is back in place. Put the cap on, going back through. And what I noticed is you just have to get the little cap piece just past where it starts to seat to the O-ring. You don't want to tighten it too tight because you can only get one hand in here. So you got to kind of use your thumb and index finger to twist it off while holding kind of the filter itself with like your outer fingers, your pinky and ring finger type deal. So the first time I put it in here, it was too tight. There was no holding it to loosen the cap, so I had to back it out, kind of adjust how tight I could do it. I kind of tested it with my one hand outside the truck and then slipped it back in. Didn't leak anything, so that's good. Still haven't leaked. Hopefully it gets back in here in a moment. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful and informative. I'm not endorsing any one brand. I just think the concept is cool. It's useful. Didn't spill anything. Made the job a lot easier. It's definitely a tight spot. And whether you add oil to it when you put it back in or whether you're just worried about spilling on the way out, it can be a mess. So it's to me it's worth 12 or 14 bucks or whatever it costs for that little thing. You don't do oil changes on these trucks a hell of a lot, but when you do, it's a bit of a pain. I mean, you got 12 quarts of oil to begin with, so every little bit you can do to make the process easier, faster, you know, I'm all for it. So again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.